This is a beautiful 1939 Ford four-door Phaeton. It's a four-door convertible. Wide white walls. Beautiful blue paint. There's a side view mirror. And a running board, of course. They were shortly going to disappear. And look at the faux wood dashboard here. Very nicely done. Very deluxe. You notice the heater under the dash. We've got twin visors, and that B post there is really removable so that when the windows are down and the post is removed, you have a clear view out the side. Look at that beautiful upholstery. Amazing. And you notice the stylized headlights and fog lights. They were popular back in the day. I don't know that they really improved your visibility, but the yellow color made them distinctive. And you'll notice the tremendous fender skirts on this car. High style. Again, another view of the dash with its wood tone. Gorgeous car. And of course it includes the trunk, sporting a 1939 Florida license plate. The first number or numbers would indicate the county where this car was registered. And the Florida license plates were very colorful back in the day. They would switch colors every year, except during the war years. It's a great looking car. And you notice the antenna there in the middle of the windshield, which rotates upwards for reception.